Gentlemen, in the practice swings, if everyone take 2-3 practice swings, we'll never finish. Just make it one and let it fly, please. Yeah, that's perfect then. No, sir. No, sir. If you can't play, guys, especially in difficult holes, pick up, walk through. We will never finish. Do you've got an handicap? Do you've got an handicap? But that's not on, sir. If everyone hits the balls like this, we will never finish. But sir, I'm just the marshal here. I've got a job to do. Got a job to do. Because that was really a bad, embarrassing shot. If everyone plays like this, we will never finish. Just give this man a chance to hit, please.
Jy kan nie sulke stront kom praat met ons bedhofdag nie.
The course marshal sakkie van sir. I've got a job to do.
Maar kos maar so my. Jy kan nie hier kom staan en met ons kat praat nie.
Nee, jy skop my nou. Hy skop my nou 'n pokkenbal.
Is hy Erik, hy so kak slaan.
Hy sit my so.
Jy kan mos nie dit doen nie, ou.
Julle moet net hier nog kakkous met dat groot sakkie vir julle opvang.
Sakkie mag net 'n practice swing vat. Ek wil net
Jy mag jy.
Sir, that ball didn't even cross the water. It didn't even cross the water. Now you're chuckling and having fun. Let's be honest here. He's having a phone. Okay, when I arrived here, he's with a cell phone. He's having a cell phone while I was on my way. I've got strict rules here. Then he comes here, he embarrasses everyone by not playing, and then you guys are having a laugh. I've got a job to do. Just get it in the middle and let's get going, please.
Nee man, jy kan nie so doos wees nie, Sakkie.
That's the way you play. That's the way that's the way.
Jy kan nie dit doen.
So I don't want to embarrass him, but he's a cuck golfer. You can't play golf.
Wie kan jy dit sê?
I don't even think you've got a
Dis
handicap.
kliënte vir my. Jy kan nie sulke kak doen nie.
I'm sure you embarrass, you just don't want to say that.
Ek is nie. Fok, hy speel mooi. Hy het nou 'n kak hou geslaan want jy staan hier so en sê vir hom, "Hey,
And
dis
on
een
the
te veel
phone.
practice swing."
And on the phone.
Hy was af van die green af gewees. Die ouens het net klaar gemaak op die teebox.
Willie, this is for me. It's the most difficult thing to do is when people
I
can't
know,
play.
but don't
Because
come and
golf,
stand here.
I'm not doing ballet because I
Sakkie,
can't do ballet.
just listen to me.
You can't play golf.
Just listen to me. You can't come and stand here and say,
No, I
jy het nou
understand.
genoeg practice swings gevat vir kom voetbal. Jy kan nie dit doen nie.
Ek is nie hier en ek wil nie my werk
Okay,
verloor
dis
nie.
fine.
So asseblief
Maar-
moenie 'n klagte insit nie.
Ek gaan nie
asseblief.
klagte insit nie, maar fucking jy moet
Ja, okay,
dink
ek sal-
oor hoe jy sit
ja.
handle.
Nee, ek is jammer, ek apologize want ek is nie hierso en my versteekte kamera meneer wil jy net vir my
Jesus, ek sê jou bliksem.
JD Heinz.
Sy oppak Sakkie.
Smaak net 'n bietjie daarso. Jy het dit baie goed hanteer, hoor. Well done guys.
Kan ek 'n
Well
bal
done.
kry asseblief?